Hi, today I'm going to go over the actions related to groups in RunManager. Let's start with creating a new group. To do so, click on New button on the Groups widget. This will create a new instance of the current group. Now you can make all the changes you want and then save it under any name you see fit. Once a new group has been created, it will be available for selection in a case definition. Now let's see how you can update an existing group. To do so, start by selecting the group you want to update. Making any change to it will make the update button appear. After you're done making changes, you can click on update button to save your changes. Lastly, there is delete action. It's pretty straightforward. Just make sure that the group you want to delete is selected in the widget's drop down. Then by simply clicking on delete button and confirming, the group will be deleted. But remember, it will not be deleted if it is being used by a RunManager case. So that was all for this one. If you have any queries, you can write to us at support@kanors.com.